Huy, may credit card ka na ba? O baka naman rejected at laging denied left and right? Well, you might be interested with what I'm gonna talk about today. Open-minded ka ba? But seriously, kung gusto mong malaman kung paano magka-credit card kahit wala ka pang credit history, then please keep on watching. Hi, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, my name is Charm and I upload videos about work from home, personal finance, and snippets into my daily life. But for today's video, I'm gonna talk about Maya Secured Credit Card, or what they call Maya Black. First, I'm not sure if you've already heard about it, but there's actually what we call a secured credit card and a standard or a traditional credit card, an unsecured credit card. So anong pagkakaiba ng dalawa? Think of it this way. When you say unsecured credit card, I'm referring to the traditional or the regular credit cards that you can get from banks. Consider it like utang with trust, wherein the bank or the financial institution will give you a credit limit kahit wala kang binibigay na pera up front. They will grant you a credit card solely based on your credit history, your income, at kung gaano ka kagaling magbayad or kung delinquent ka man magbayad. Pero, pag wala ka pang credit history o kaya na may palagi kang nade-decline when you try to apply for a credit card, then that's where the secured credit card comes in. So, a secured credit card, on the other hand, is like, parang sinasabi nila sa'yo, okay, we'll give you a chance pero pa-secure muna. That means they want you to open up a security deposit para assured sila na kung merong mangyayari that you're unable to pay, kukunin nila yung payment directly from the secured deposit amount. In short, a secured credit card is good for starters or if you're still building your credit history. And ang kagandahan is you can use it right away like a regular credit card. You can use it online or for in-store purchases. So it works basically just a normal credit card. Yeah, if you're just starting out or lagi kang sorry to inform you but your application has been declined, then baka kailangan mong mag-secured credit card muna, just like Maya's. So, punta ka lang sa Maya app mo, tapos you can find it dito, nasa savings, nasa baba. Get a Maya Black credit card using a security deposit, or you can access it from the last tab, the one that says cards. So, is this available? Is Maya Black available for everyone? Based on what I've read, it's not yet available for everyone. They are slowly rolling it out. So, if in the event na you're not eligible or it doesn't show up as an offer sa Maya app mo, give it siguro a few days or a week or two because they're like rolling it out slowly to everybody. Now here, if I go and click on get a Maya Black credit card using a security deposit, it says here that the minimum deposit that is required is 20,000 pesos. So 80% of 20,000 is 16,000 and that's gonna be your starting credit limit for your secured credit card with Maya. But yung 20,000 is just the minimum. You can put more money if you want like a higher credit limit. So, syempre, you're gonna have to put in more money, whichever works for you. So, yung security deposit is basically a collateral. And then, the amount na ilalagay mo dun sa security deposit mo will be your credit limit for the secured credit card. Mostly, if it's a secured credit card, it's 100% approval in most traditional banks. But with Maya, I read somewhere, even though it is a secured credit card, it's still going to be subject to credit evaluation. So that means they still have to review it. But again, because it's a secured credit card, there's a higher chance na maa-approve ka and you can get a secured credit card from Maya. And then you can start building your credit by using it often and then paying your dues on time. Para naman, if you consistently use your secured credit card and you consistently pay on time, then you might be eligible to apply for a regular credit card in the future, wherein hindi mo na kailangan mag-open ng secure deposit. If you're wondering if yung security deposit mo will earn interest, yes. Sabi dito, it will still earn 3.5% interest per annum. Now, if you want to close the security deposit, ano mangyayari sa secured credit card mo with Maya? Well, technically, masususpend siya. They will suspend the card and then you can get your money back, yung nilagay mo sa deposit mo. It will be transferred back to your Maya savings account after 31 days. Provided na wala ka ng outstanding balance. Kasi if you still have an outstanding balance with your credit card, your Maya Black credit card, then of course they will take the payment from your collateral or from your security deposit. Can I deposit additional funds to my security deposit account? Once you have opened your security deposit and you have, like, nilagyan mo siya ng 20,000, hindi mo na siya pwedeng dagdagan pa. Like, it stays as is, 20,000. You cannot take away money or add money to that security deposit. But it says here that they look forward to this option becoming available in the future. But for now, hindi pa. With the Maya Black card, you don't have to pay an annual fee. So it's waived forever. No annual fees forever with the Maya Black. Tapos, you can also earn miles. Maya miles instantly and everywhere. When it comes to the Maya secured credit card na ino-offer nila, for me lang ha, if you're starting out, 20,000 for your security deposit may be a little too high. Kasi yung ibang banks, yung traditional banks that also offer secured credit cards, meron silang, you can open a security deposit for as low as 10,000. Say for example, BDO secured credit card. Nakita ko sa website ng BDO, it says here, they have 100% credit approval if you're going to apply for a secured credit card with BDO, but you have to open 10,000 initial deposit for your safety deposit with them. So, if you compare that sa Maya, yung Maya, 20,000 yung initial security deposit nila, and then hindi pa 100% credit approval kasi nakasaad doon na it will still be subject for credit evaluation, then I would definitely go with the BDO secured credit card in a heartbeat over Maya's secured credit card. But if you are trying to like build a relationship with Maya, maybe you have other like financial services that Maya is offering and you're eyeing them, like the Maya personal loan of up to 250,000 pesos, which is, enticing naman talaga, then siguro building your relationship with them, your credit score with Maya is a good start. Pero yun lang, that's all I want to say. Alright, so if you have any questions, comment lang kayo sa baba. And if you have experience with Maya Black, share nyo na rin yung experience nyo. I'd love to know more about it. And lastly, if you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this video to someone who might actually need it. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!